Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to install liquid glass super wallpaper on your any Galaxy device. So, let's begin. First, you download this app. This app download link available in description. After download, simply tap and open. After open, guys, you can see many options in this app: base, dock, process and generate. This type of many options available in this app, but you only apply liquid glass effect and set dock. So simply scroll down, base section, tap on base, simply scroll down, go to switch effect and you can see liquid glass in switch effect. Simply tap liquid glass and first guys, you select wallpapers. You also select wallpaper from gallery. Then simply delete this wallpaper, but remember you select at least 3 wallpapers. But guys, before select wallpapers, simply go to setting, go to display and enable full screen mode. Now tap on base, go to gallery and select wallpapers. Now tap on complete and you can see I select 3 wallpapers and I delete previous wallpapers. Now first set this wallpaper. Set home screen and lock screen. Now go tap on base, scroll down and in switch effect you can see in liquid glass set dock position. Now set dock position according to your dock icons. Now you can see I said dock. Now tap on complete and you can see guys liquid glass super wallpaper apply on my Galaxy device. You apply this super wallpaper on your any Galaxy device, no matter A series or S series. So if you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.